I don't want you to train your competition for the next one, but we
Yeah.
had a few hundred people join this time, and this is only our second one, so we're planning on getting thousands. So to someone out there who is just learning, or they're just entering, they're not a trader, they're not a professional trader yet, but
Mm.
they're entering the game, and they're like, okay, I want to, just like you mentioned, I want to experiment and learn in this test
Mm.
environment where I can't hurt myself, and then take that live. What do you think that they should start experimenting with, and what do you think they should focus on when it comes to lessons from that? With ultimately the goal is
Mm.
I want to win the competition, but I also want to learn how
Want to
to
learn,
actually
yeah.
trade real money in the
Yeah.
long run.
Yeah, I would say start with stock selection. So start using, let's say, the bigger gappers. Okay, you start scanning that, try to see what is the difference between those stocks, try checking the charts, and then decide to trade with one based on whatever you want. And now you will learn how to place a trade, how to exit the trade. You have level two, you can watch the tape, you can see the price action, and then you will see that then you can maybe see why it's important for a stock to have volume to so you can be able to trade, so that there
Yep.
is a move in a action, in a price action. So then maybe try build your own scanner. That will be really nice. But of course, it will be hard because you don't know what to put. But just start with those simple things, like let's give the top gappers. Let's they be in the market cap from this to this, and just build it, and try experimenting with it.
And that's what we're trying to do, right? Is to give a fun and engaging but really zero risk way to
Yeah,
to
exactly.
play,
No risk.
right?
That's yeah, no
Um,
risk there.
yeah, and we love that. So how do you when you go from seeing the massive numbers in the competition,
Hmm.
you're up and down like $1 million in a day, and
Yeah,
then you go to your real account,
yeah,
do
of
you
course.
find that it helps you because
No,
the
no,
numbers in your accounts don't matter? Or like for me, it'd almost be like you'd have to come down and say, I have to be, if I make 1,000 real
yeah, of
dollars,
course,
that's great, but I just made 1 million fake
of course.
dollars. Is there a problem there?
Yeah,
Does it
of
help?
course. Yeah, there is a problem, and that can be a bad habit for someone if continue. Personally, me, I didn't watch my P&L was off. I didn't watch that during the. I was trading based on the price action on the chart. I didn't watch that because, when you see the million, it's like it's you cannot do that. And what I already mentioned, but first day I made it 2000, and it was really hard. Yeah, I was trading, not a whole day all the time, but I was trading. I was really trying, and then I saw, oh, I need to push this.
Yeah.
I need to step on the gas.
It's funny, yeah. I used to trade at a prop desk, so with a whole bunch of
Oh, really?
people in a physical location. And yeah, I noticed a lot of the old school guys and the pro guys would actually have like a sticky note or a piece of tape, and they'd put it on their screen right in front of the P&L. And they would just say,
Yeah,
I don't,
it's
I'll take it off at the end of the day. I'll see how I did, and I just want to focus on price action. So I really love that.
yes,
Uh,
that can be really challenging because when you see a profit, you're taking too soon. When you are red, you're holding too long. So that's the classic story of almost every trader. So
no, I think that's the move. The more you can just focus on the price action and the candles and
exactly,
and that, I think the better off
the
you are.
trading plan, yeah.